Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Gaining the necessary training and experience, purchase the necessary gear. If you are just starting out, buy an entry-level DSLR camera. In addition to the camera, you will need a tripod and a camera lens, like a 15 prime lens. Lighting is also important, so make sure to invest in an external flash. Alternatively, buying a camera that is a step above entry level will enable you to develop your camera skills. If you are on a budget, buy your materials used as opposed to brand new. Take as many photos as possible. Bring your camera with you everywhere. Whenever you feel inspired, take photos. Additionally, make weekend plans to shoot specific destinations or to take pictures of people or models. This is a great way to learn how to use your camera and gear while compiling photos. Visit the beach, park, or a city center to find a variety of scenes to shoot. Complete small photography projects. Plan a couple projects that you can complete in 1 to 2 months. Use the style of photography that you want to specialize in. Make sure to see your projects through to the end. This shows commitment and passion. For example, if you are interested in portraiture, take portraits of your family or portraits of people who inspire you. If you are passionate about nature and photography, then take pictures of nature at a local park or nature reservoir. Learn how to use Photoshop. If you want to learn on your own, purchase Photoshop guides and books from your local bookstore. Alternatively, take a course at a local community college or take courses online. Graphic design courses typically offer training in software such as Photoshop. Many photography jobs prefer their applicants to have a basic knowledge of Photoshop. Consider different types of photography careers. Some of the more lucrative careers in photography are product. Some of the more stable careers are as a school or wedding photographer or in photojournalism. You can also pursue a career in sports, fashion, or stock photography. While a degree or formal training isn't required for some career paths, like wedding photography, other career paths may require it, like product, wildlife, and medical photography. Apply for an internship. Local newspapers and magazines may offer internships for aspiring photojournalists. Try contacting local photography organizations or galleries in your area as well. Look for work that could teach you some of the skills required for the type of photography that interests you. Apply for an assistant job. Many professional photographers need assistants to help them carry and set up their equipment, as well as take photos. They also need assistants to help with the business side of photography, like keeping track of contracts and payments. Look for assistant jobs on job search sites like Indeed, Monster, LinkedIn, or even Craigslist. Working as an assistant is a great way to learn all of the aspects of being a photographer, from taking pictures to handling business. For instance, if you are interested in becoming a wedding photographer, get a job assisting a wedding planner. They will bring you along to weddings and show you how it's done. Get an associate's or bachelor's degree in the arts. Although a degree isn't required to obtain a photography job, it may give you an edge over other candidates. Check out art programs at a local community college or university. Ask for a list of courses. If you think a degree is worthwhile, then apply. If you decide that an associate's or bachelor's degree isn't worthwhile, then check out photography workshops instead. Creating an online portfolio. Build your portfolio through an online platform. Choose a portfolio building site that is easy and offers a variety of templates to choose from. Pick sites that allow you to direct traffic to your site through search engine optimization (SEO). Additionally, select sites that enable you to connect your portfolio to your social media accounts. You typically need to pay an annual or monthly fee to use these websites. However, you can try some websites free for a limited time to see if you like them. Examples of popular portfolio building websites are PhotoShelter, Orso, Foliolink, Folio HD, 1x, SmugMug, 500, and Pixpa. Keep your website design simple. Pick templates that are simple and easy to navigate for you and your clients. Make sure the template highlights your work. Avoid using templates that have too many functions, colors, or designs that take away from the quality of your work. For example, use a simple black and white template. Publish your best work. Go for quality over quantity. Publish the photos that exhibit your photography skills. Also, pick photos that reflect the type of work you want to do, whether it is wedding or product photography. Since clients do not have time to look through every photo, place your very best photos in the beginning of the gallery. Additionally, publish high-quality resolution images as opposed to low-quality resolution images. Organize your work. If you have worked on multiple projects, then organize your work by project. You could also organize your work by theme or type, like black and white portraits and landscape. Make sure to organize your work in a way that is easy and accessible for your clients. Write a 1 to 2 sentence description for each photo. Write the name of the company you shot the image for, the model's name if applicable, and the location of the shot. You can provide any other details that you think are relevant as well. A brief description will give your clients a little bit of context when browsing your images. Include a contact page. Place your name, phone number, and email on the contact page. Also provide links to your social media accounts that showcase your work. This way, interested clients will be able to contact you easily. You may also include an About Me page on your website as well. Write 2 to 3 paragraphs detailing your background, how you become interested in photography, and your photography experience. Finding jobs. Search for positions on job search site. Clients and employers use job search sites like Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, and Monster to post available work. Read the job's description. Apply for the positions you qualify for. Search for positions like assistant photographer, freelance photographer, portrait photographer, social media photographer, and others. Browse newspapers and magazines for job ads. Look for job advertisements near the back of newspapers and specialty magazines. Call or email the companies to inquire about the position. If you qualify for the position, send the company an email with a link to your online portfolio. If you do not hear back from a job within a week, then follow up on your application by emailing them again. Attend networking events. Attend as many events as you can to get your name and work out. Hand out business cards to people you make connections with. Call or email your connections 5 to 7 days after the event. Invite them to lunch or after-work drinks to discuss your work and career goals. Find out about events through Meetup, artist groups, business groups, your Chamber of Commerce website, local Professional Photographers of America PPA groups, and local SmugMug groups.